We are very honored to welcome coach and legend Fabio Cannavaro. Uh, you are not a stranger from Al Ain Club and UAE football. We are very honored to welcome you again as a coach and coach going to the next World Cup after around 20 years of holding the cup as a captain of Italy. A big win today, a historical win against maybe the best team in Africa, Egypt. It was a very tough opponent, but you deserve the win 2-0. If you tell us about this match.
I'm so happy for the players
Ma oyuncular için juda xursandman.
because since I arrived here,
Biza kelganimizdan buyon
they give me everything,
ular qo'ldan kelgancha harakat qilyapti.
accountability. They
Butunlay.
want to learn, they want to
Ular
improve,
o'rganishga, yanada yaxshilashga harakat qilishyapti.
they want to show
Ular
how they are strong.
ular qanchalik kuchliligini
It's
ko'rsatishga
not
harakat qilishyapti.
easy to face against this kind of
Oson emas.
like Egypt,
Bunaqa
because they are
Misr
top
takimiga
players.
qarshi o'ynash, ularda top o'yinchilar bor.
But since we starting the game,
Lekin o'yinni boshidan
team was in the game, the team
biza
tried to play it, tried to
konsentratsiya bilan yaxshi o'ynashga harakat qildik.
score the first goal, second goal,
Birinchi gol, ikkinchi
and
gol.
also when the team was without the ball, we try
To'psiz
also
ham
to
yaxshi o'ynadik.
close all the spaces.
Barcha zonalarni yopishga harakat qildik.
Of course, the result is really important for us.
Natija biz uchun juda muhim.
But now
Lekin
we
hozir
need to carry on to working like that.
xuddi shunday ishlashda davom
We
etishimiz
cannot
kerak.
give up. We need to
Biza
improve.
yanada yaxshilashimiz kerak.
I'm very worried about our physical condition
Lekin
because
baribir men jismoniy holatimiz bo'yicha xavotirdaman.
to be at this level, you need to improve
Darajada
your physical condition.
jismoniy
And
holatni
now
yaxshilashingiz kerak.
we cannot force more them, but
Va biz
of
ham
course,
hozir majburlab
this result give it to you more power.
lekin bu bizga endi ko'proq kuch beradi bunday natija.
Now we open the floor for any questions. We start. Please.
Coach, opinion on Voronov and what subjugation and game Iran.
I don't understand.
Voronov, subjugation.
Is ready to.
Nice,
You
yes,
mean
yes.
he's saying is the player ready to play the next match?
I don't know.
Bilmadim.
We just finished the game.
Biz faqat o'yinni hozir
I
tugatdik.
know he was so tired.
Oston albatta charchagan edi.
I know he gave everything.
Qo'ldan kelganini qildi.
It's the third game he did since he came back from injury.
Kelgandan buyon 3-o'yini
We need to
jarohatga
improve the
qaytgandan
physical
keyin
condition.
fizически jismoniy tarafdan yaxshilash kerak.
Coach, I want to ask you about the conditions, how you see the camp here in Al Ain,
No,
the
no.
stadium, and the
Always when I come back to UAE,
Har doim men Birlashgan
I'm
Arab
so
Amirliklariga
happy
qaytganimda
because
men
I
har doim
spent
xursand bo'laman.
4 years here and I know
Burada meni kutib
how you
olishlariga
care about the facility, how you care
qanday
about
juda
the
yaxshi
quality of
sharoitlar
the
bor.
pitch.
Juda ham yaxshi maydonlar sifati yaxshi.
And the new stadium is amazing.
Va yangi stadion ham juda ham yaxshi.
And to be here always is a pleasure for me.
Men uchun juda ham har doim men uchun juda ham приятно bu yerda bo'lish.
Yes, Iran and Uzbekistan have played against each other many times in the last few years. What difference the teams could this match?
You play for a trophy.
Sizlar o'ynadinglar qandaydir trofey uchun.
We face many times with
Juda ko'p
Iran.
uchrashgan Eron
We have
bilan.
big respect for Iran team.
Juda ham hurmat qilamiz Eron terma jamoasini.
I know in Asia,
Bilaman,
Iranian
Osiyoda
national team is one of the best.
Eron terma jamoasi eng kuchlilardan biri.
And we go to try to make some problem to them.
Ularga muammo yaratish uchun.
other question. Mark. He's asking you work with Cosman Olario with the UAE team now. He faced a tough match against Iraq. Do you think he can make it? Or what's your
Sure, I'm
wishes or
sure.
advice for him?
I'm sure he doesn't need nothing. Oli is a top
Man
coach.
aminman Ko'sminova top trener, top murabbiy.
For me, it was very important to starting with him.
Men uchun juda muhim bo'lgan faoliyatim u bilan birga boshlash.
And I hope he will come as well to the World Cup
Umid
because
qilaman
he
u ham
deserves
jahon
to be
chempionatiga
there.
chiqa oladi.
I follow the team, through the games,
Men ko'p kuzataman terma jamoa o'yinlarini.
and I know now is tough
Bilaman
tough
ular
things,
juda ham
but
qiyin uchrashuv kutib turibdi.
I know he can do it.
Lekin uni qo'ldan keladi deb o'ylayman.
Please.
Avvalo g'alaba muborak bo'lsin.
First of all, thank and congratulations with the victory.
Davom bo'lsin.
And we hope that it will continue again.
Bugun himoyada umuman yaxshi o'yin ko'rdik-ku, lekin orasida darvozabonimiz bizni xavotirga soldi.
Today we played really well in the defense, but still sometimes the goalkeeper made us worried a bit.
Qanchalik sizni qoniqtiryapti
So how much you satisfied with the connection between our goalkeeper and the defenders?
va Muhammad Salohni yopish bo'yicha alohida bir qandaydir reja ishlab chiqqanmidingiz?
And did you elaborate some kind of special plan to eliminate Salah, to block him?
No, it's impossible to eliminate Salah.
Iloji yo'q. Muhammad Salohni
Just if you play as a team, you can
jamoa bo'lib o'ynagan holda
try to reduce this kind of players,
bunday o'yinchilarni
to
xavfini
limit
kamaytirish
this kind
mumkin.
of players.
Uni imkoniyatlarini kamaytirish.
For a goalkeeper,
Darvozabon masalasida
for the non-possession,
to'psiz
we're
holatda
working very well.
biz juda yaxshi ishlayapmiz.
And of course, when you go to face this kind of team,
Lekin bunday terma jamoalarga
if
qarshi
you hope they don't shoot,
agar ular
it's
tepmasa
impossible.
siz adashamiz, ular baribir tepadi.
We suffer too much.
Ular juda ham albatta qiynalib
We
vaziyatlarimiz bo'ldi.
some far possibly to shoot.
Ularga ham tepish uchun yaxshi
But
imkoniyatlar
they
bergan
never,
vaziyatlar bo'ldi.
they never create something that
Lekin
can
bir-
be dangerous
Juda ham bir xavfli
for
imkoniyat
us.
yaratish olmadi biz uchun.
So for me, that one was really important.
Hisobdan bu men uchun juda ham muhim edi.
Okay.
يعني محمد في الامارات من قبل ورجع ثاني حاليا انطباع عن الكره الاماراتيه وعن الاجواء.
Maybe last question. He's telling you worked with the UAE football and now you're back again as a head coach of Uzbekistan. How you see the UAE football during this time?
It's completely different.
Umuman boshqacha hozir
It's
bahs
completely
darajasi
different. We cannot
umuman boshqacha,
compare because
taqqoslab bo'lmaydi.
now with a lot of
Hozirda
foreigners players
Juda ham
that
ko'p
they
legioner
get the
o'yinchilar, chet ellik
passport,
futbolchilar ular
you have the
pasport
possibility
ularga
to improve a lot
yanada
with
terma
the
jamoa
team.
kuchaytirish imkoniyati bor.
And so we cannot compare
Boshqa
since
vaqtdan
I
ancha
was here.
taqqoslash noto'g'ri deb o'ylayman. Men
But
oldin
now
ishlagan paytim bilan,
football is
o'ynagan
like that.
paytim bilan hozir futbol shunaqa.
Every federation try
Har
to
bir
do
federatsiya
different things.
shunday narsalar qilishga harakat
I
qiladi.
choose Uzbekistan because
Men
they
O'zbekiston terma jamoasini
create
tanladim, chunki ular
young talent, they
haqiqatdan
create
yosh
young players,
talantlarni
local
yaratishyapti.
players,
Ularga ko'proq mahalliy o'yinchilarga e'tibor
and
berishyapti.
I saw how they work, and it
Men
was
ularni
really,
ko'rdim
really
qanday
good.
ishlayotganini.
You know, I was in China, and
Men
the
Xitoyda
passport
bo'lganman.
was for me was not so good. So
Menda ba'zan
for some national team, they're good. For someone, no.
ba'zi terma jamoalar uchun ular
Depends
yaxshi
if you
bo'lishi
go
mumkin,
to the
ba'zilar
World
uchun
Cup.
uncha
If you
emas.
go to the if you reach the World Cup,
Agar jahon chempionatiga
everyone will
chiqsangiz,
be happy. If you
hamma
don't reach the
xursand
World
bo'ladi. Agar
Cup,
jahonga chiqa
everyone
olmasangiz,
complain that.
hamma nima deydi, жаловаться qiladi.
But this is some strategy that
Lekin bu shunday juda ham yaxshi strategiya hozir bizga
to go to
ketyapti.
World Cup,
Jahon chempionatiga qatnash yo'lda
we try to do that. But is
qo'ldan kelgancha yaxshi
some
qatnash
view.
uchun.
Yangi Tigo 7 Pro. Cherry avtomobillari ichida eng ko'p sotilgan modeli. Rasmiy dilerlik markazlarida bepul haydab ko'ring.